Hey YouTube, JW. Got a message the other day from Russell Taylor from Taylor Brands. Said he was going to send me a free knife. So I was pretty happy about that. Schrade has been giving away a bunch of knives, and he said I was a winner. And I ended up talking with him through email, and very nice guy. And he sent me the SCH205. It's about a $25 knife. I have taken it out and looked at it, but I put it back in the box for the video. Schrade is doing a very good job of promoting their new 2014 lineup of knives, which is very good in my opinion. I'm really a fan of a lot of the new Schrade knives. So let's get this out. Look at it. Comes with some literature. And you can see Taylor Brands. This knife is made in China. But like I said, I'm very impressed with Schrade's ability to listen to what the consumer has to say and take that into consideration. Very approachable. This is basically just a EDC, budget EDC carry knife. It has aluminum handles with the grip inlay. Thumb stud opening. It is right hand tip down. Tip down carry, which I'm not a real fan of. Big fan of. It's a one position pocket clip. It is a manual knife. Smooth opening. Liner lock. Closed construction. 4.42 ounces. Let me turn my scanner off here. Just a plain edge drop point. It is a hollow grind. Pretty sharp. I haven't tested it on paper yet. It is 9CR14 MOV. 0.11 on the thickness of the blade. You see it has some jimping up here. 3.625 blade length and an overall length of 8.50 total. 0.58 handle thickness. Very ergonomic. I have medium-sized hands. Got a little choil here where you can choke up on, and that jimping is perfectly set. Let's see if I can do this on camera here. Let's test the sharpness out of this. Trying to do this through the viewfinder. Pretty sharp, plenty sharp to get the job done. That is a pretty good quality steel. And it seems like I've noticed a trend of better knives coming out of China. The quality seems to be going up. There's a lot of budget priced folders especially Chinese that you can pick up these days at a great price, like my Browning, Stone Cold. We use that as a size comparison here. Pretty much the same size. It is also made in China and basically at the same price point. And that's a solid knife. No blade play whatsoever. I did a review of this knife when I first got it, if you want to look at that. Solid lockup. There's a little bit of up and down blade play, but nothing that would ever cause a problem or do anything in any normal situation. So basically I'm going to say no blade play on this whatsoever. It's not as tight a lockup as this Black Label knife, but close. The Black Label knife was about $10 more. So overall, first impressions are good on this knife. For a budget EDC blade for about 25 bucks from Knife HQ, you can't go wrong. So I'm going to carry this knife for a while, and they want me to test it out, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to carry it for a while and see what happens. Put it through its paces, and I will do a follow-up video to this in a few months, and we'll see what my impressions are for everyday semi-hard use for this blade. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll put a link in the description below to Schrade if you want to check it out, and have a good one.